Hey guys, welcome to YouTube. This is Rajesh here and you watching Smart Reviews. And today I'm going to unbox the Panasonic 1000 watt hair dryer, and it only cost me around 645 rupees. So let's get into it and see whatever we get inside the box. So let's get started. We have the box and you can see the Amazon Prime. It delivered only on 2 days in my city. It's Cuttack, Odisha. So there is the box. It only cost me around 645 rupees, and on market you can get it for 999 rupees or 899 rupees. So on Amazon there is an offer and I get it for 645 rupees, under 700 rupees. So it's the Panasonic hair dryer. So let's unbox it and see what we get inside the box. So let's do the unboxing. So first of all we have to remove our bill. Very careful because the bill is everything when you order online. Thanks Amazon for a 2-day delivery. That's the Amazon Prime. So let's keep the bill safely. So there we have the box. Let's open the seal. So guys, if you have some viewing angle bad, so I'm sorry, because it's recording on a mobile phone camera or smartphone camera, that's the Oppo, and I have no DSLR or SLR, so I make my videos on a phone camera, that's the Oppo 887. So it's too hard to get. Let's cut the whole box. Good packaging from Amazon Prime. It's me. So guys, you can see properly. It's the Panasonic EHND11 hair dryer, turbo dryer. You can see it's in pink color. I get it. 1000 watt. Okay. So there is the box. Fast time set mode. Okay. On this side, on the bottom, on the up you can see the information. Sorry for focusing. Okay. So there we have the barcode, and there the pricing is cost 900 rupees Indian rupees, and if you got it on market then it can be discounted only 50 rupees or anything. So let's unbox and check what inside the box. So just opening. Okay, so guys, you can see there is the warranty information card. So let's keep safely. So it's too hard because the packaging is too much good. Okay. Let's pull it. Let's keep it aside. Let's check whatever we get inside the box. So guys, this is the product information or booklet. There is so many languages but we can't get it, but thanks for the inside it was written in English, also Chinese, so we don't have to read. Okay, so let's keep it aside. So there we have the hair dryer. It's mentioning Panasonic. Okay, you can see the back portion I love the most because of their styling over here and white in color, and it's feel very solid in hand. So from my side I have also an Philips hair dryer, and to that price it's good enough in 645 rupees. And there you can see the coiling over there, and there we have a oval shape, and there we have the on off button, and there we have the wire also can be hanged. So let's check how it works on. So guys, let's plug it and on the hair dryer. So this is the hair dryer, and we have to on the switch. So it's okay. You can see it's very hot, guys. It's very hot. You can see how it blows. Not so much heavy sound, so it's good enough. So it's good enough for the pricing of 645 rupees. So I am giving you the link in the description where you can also get it for your sister or yourself. So thanks for watching. If you like that video, then please subscribe to my channel, and please give a thumbs up if you like that video, and let me know in the comment section what I can improve in future on my videos. So guys, this is the whole unboxing. So thanks for watching. See you later.